Hello, guys. Good morning. Hope you are having a wonderful day or wonderful afternoon or a wonderful evening. Well, over here it's 5 a.m. Nigerian time, and I just woke up trying to prepare lunch because everybody is going out. So we're trying to prepare lunch. So today I'll be making porridge yam. So sorry if my voice is not really clear. I just woke up, so the voice just woke up. All right, so here are my major ingredients. As I cook, you are going to see the rest ingredients I use. So I have my tomato and my pepper blend. I have my vegetable, which is pumpkin leaf. I have my onions. I have my smoked fish, and I have my yam. Look at the way I actually cut my yam. So I prepped all these ingredients yesterday and I put it in the fridge. So the vegetable is fresh, it's just that it's coming from the fridge. So let's cook so you'll see how I make it. So I'm going to be adding oil in a clean pan. Now we're cooking pottage yam, so we need enough oil. So I'm going to salt my oil when it's hot, and I'm adding my onion. I'll let this fry for 1 minute or until it's translucent. So you can see it. My tomato and pepper blend, I've added it into it. I'm also going to be adding my fish. I'll add my crayfish. I'm using knor, so I'll add my seasoning cube. So I'll stir and I'll let this cook for 5 minutes. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it's been boiling beautifully. I'm going to be adding my yam. So I'm adding water to it. So we're going to turn very well. Just your seasoning and add your salt at this very point. Then we're going to let it cook until the yam is soft. So depending on the type of yam you're using, it could take between 15 to 20 or between 15 to 30 or 40 minutes. So it all depends on the yam you're using. When your yam is soft, and let it cook until my yam is so after 10 minutes, let's check it. So you're going to stir to make sure that it's not getting burnt. So stir in intervals. Sorry for the noise, everybody has just woken up, so they are trying to do their own chores in the house. So we're going to stir in intervals to make sure it doesn't get burnt. I changed my pot because that one was too small. So it's still not soft, so we're still going to leave it for another 10 minutes. So you can see it's done. At this moment I'm going to mash some. So you can mash the way you want. So I'm going to be adding my vegetable now. I like a lot of vegetable in my pottage yam, so however you want. So I'll just let this simmer for, oh, that's a big leaf. I'll just let this simmer for 2 minutes, then I'll stir it and our porridge yam is ready. So I'm done cooking. If you have watched this far, please do well to like, subscribe and drop a comment. Thank you. So this is what we have. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. I love you. See you in my next video.